So hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in these lectures we'll discuss some numericals related to nuclear power plant. So let's start. Here we have given the first numericals in example 7.1. Calculate the followings. First we have to calculate the fission rate of uranium 235 for producing a power of 1 watt. And the second one is the energy released in the complete fissions of 1 kg of uranium 235. And here we have to assume 200 MeV are released for per fission of the uranium nucleus. So in the first questions we have here energy released per fissions of uranium 235 nuclide is 200 MeV, and 200 MeV can be written as 1.6 into 10 power minus 13 joule. So after calculating we'll get here 3.2 into 10 power minus 11 joule. And here we have to calculate the fission rate of uranium. So the fission rate for producing 1 watt of power will be 1 upon this value, means 3.2 into 10 power minus 11. So we'll get here 3.1 into 10 power 10 fission per second. Similarly, in the second question, we have to calculate the energy released in the complete fissions of 1 kg of uranium 235. So for that, here we have 1 kg of atom of uranium 235, that is a mass of 235 kg of uranium 235 contains 6.02 into 10 power 26 atoms, that is nuclides. So energy released by 1 kg of uranium 235 is 200 into this 6.02 into 10 power 26 MeV. So the energy released per kg of uranium is 200 into 6.02 into 10 power 26 upon this 235 upon MeV. So on calculating we will get here 8.2 into 10 power 13 joule. And here we have the next numericals. During a 10-hour run from one station to another, a railway engine develops an average power of 1200 kilowatt, and if the engine is driven by an atomic power plant of 20% efficiency, how much uranium U-235 would be consumed on the runs? And each uranium 235 atoms on one fission releases 180 MeV of energy. And here in the questions we have given duration of the run between two stations. Here we have given this 10 hour, and here we have during a 10-hour runs. So duration of run between two stations is 10 hour. Similarly, average power developed by the railway engines is given as 1200 kilowatt, and efficiency of atomic power plant is efficiency we have given 20%. Similarly, energy released by each atom of uranium 235 is 180 MeV. So first here we have to calculate the mass of uranium consumed amps. So here energy consumed by engines for the runs, we have 1200 kilowatt. So for 10 hour we can write as 1200 into 10, means 12,000 kilowatt hour, and 1 kilowatt hour equal to 36 into 10 power 5 joule. We know this value, and so energy consumed will be this 1200 kilowatt hour into this value 36 into 10 power 5. So finally we will get here 432 into 10 power 8 joule. And since the efficiency is given as 20%, so the efficiency of atomic plant is only 20%, so energy required to produce will be 432, means this value upon efficiency, and here we have given efficiency as 20%, so it will be 0.2, and after calculating we will get here 216 into 10 power 9 joule. And similarly, energy produced per fission of integration is given as here in the question we have 180 MeV. So 180 MeV can be written as 180 into, and MeV can be written as 1.6 into 10 power minus 13 joules. And to calculate the number of uranium atoms that must disintegrate for producing 216 into 10 power 9 joule is 216 into 10 power 9 upon 180 upon this value, 180 MeV, means 180 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 13. So on calculating we will get here 7.5 into 10 power 21. And now we know 6.02 into 10 power 26 atoms are contained in uranium 235 kg of uranium 235. So the required mass will be M equals to 235 into 7.5 into 21, means this value upon these atoms. So on calculator we will get here 2.928 into 10 power minus 3 kg. So in gram our answer will be 2.928 gram. Similarly, third question we have here, the important one. Here we have the nuclear power plant is used to meet a load demand of 15 megawatt and the overall efficiency of the plant is 33%. Find the amount of uranium fuel needed to meet the load demand. And this question was once asked in 2015 fall of Pokhara University. So here we have given the average electrical power required is 15 megawatt. It means 15 into 10 power 6 watt, and efficiency is given as 33%. Since the energy released per fission of uranium-235 nuclide is not mentioned in the questions, so we will assume here 200 MeV. If it was mentioned, then we will use that value. But in this question, it is not mentioned, so we will assume it as 200 MeV. And here, the amount of fuel required for 1 day's operations. So energy consumed will be, here we have average electrical power is 15 Newton 6 watt. So 15 into 10 power 6 upon energy for 1 day operation. So 24 into 60 into 60 means 3600, and we'll get here 1.296 into 10 power 12 joule. This value. And here we have given the efficiency 33%. So energy required to produce by the nuclear reactor is 1.296 into 10 power 12 upon this efficiency. We have 0.33 efficiency given here. So on calculating, we'll get here 3.9272 into 10 power 12 joule. And energy released per atom is given as 200 MeV. So 200 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into MeV. So 10 power 6. So we'll get here 32 into 10 power minus 12. Or 200 MeV can be directly written as 200 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 13. So our number of atoms to be fissioned will be here 3.9272 into 10 power 12. This value means energy required to produce by the nuclear reactor upon energy released per atoms. So here we have 1.2272 into 10 power 23. Now here we have to calculate the value of EMs. Since we know 6.023 into 10 to 26 atoms are contained in 235 kg of uranium-235, and hence 1.2272 into 10.2 atoms are contained in a mass of EM equal to 235 into means 1.227 into 1.272 into 10 power 23 upon these atoms means 6.023 into 10 power 26 atoms. So on calculating, we will get here 0.04788 kg. So the amount of fuel needed is this 0.04788 kg. Similarly, we have the next one. How much energy required could theoretically be produced by the destruction of 1 kg of matters? We know by Einstein equations. We have studied that E equal to mc squares, and this theory has been given by Einstein. So mc square, and here in place of m we have 1 kg means 1 into 10 power minus 3 into c square means c is the velocity, so 3 into 10 power 8 square will get here 9 into 10 power 13 joules, and 1 watt equal to 1 joule per second. So electrical energy will be 9 into this value 9 into 10 power 13 upon 36 into 1000. So we'll get here 2.5 to 10 power 7 kilowatt hour. And here we have the next one more important numericals. A uranium nucleus is bombarded by neutrons, resulting in its fissions into barium-135 and krypton-97 nuclei, and write the complete nuclear reactions and then find the amount of energy liberated in the reactions. And this question was also asked in 17th fall of Pokhara University. So here the equation can be written as uranium-92-235 plus N01 plus barium 56-137 plus krypton 36-97 plus X. And now to balance the above equations, here we have to add particles having combined z equals to 0 and equal to 0 to products. That is, in place of X we have 2 times N0 of 1. So if we add X equal to 2 N01, we will get the balanced equations. And after balancing, we will here calculate the mass before reaction is means mass of uranium 92-235 plus mass of this means we have to calculate the mass before reactions of this. So we'll get here mass of uranium is 235.116 plus mass of neutron, this is 1.00898. So in AMU we will get here 236.1257 AMU. Similarly, mass after reactions. So after reactions we will consider the mass of these all terms. So mass after reaction is means mass of barium this plus mass of krypton this plus mass of 2 times of neutron this. So on calculating we will get here 235.92214 AMU, and thus here you can say there is increase in the mass after the reaction, so energy will be liberated. So mass defect will give a del m. So we'll take the difference of that mass after reactions minus mass before reactions. So on calculating we will get here 0.2043. So mass defect del m is equal to 0.2043 AMU, and energy released will be, here we will get 931.25 into this value. Similarly, we have here here we have the next one numerical 7.6 here. A city requires 1500 megawatt hour of electrical energy per day, and it is to be supplied by a reactors which converts nuclear energy into electrical energy with an efficiency of 20%. And if reactor used nuclear fuel of uranium U-235, then calculate the mass of uranium needed for 1 day's operations. So here amount of energy required per day is given as 1500 megawatt hour, and efficiency of nuclear plant is 20% is given. So to calculate the mass, we have nuclear energy input can be electrical output upon efficiency, means electrical output is 1500 megawatt upon efficiency 0.2, so we'll get 7500 megawatt hours. Now 1 kilowatt equal to 36 into 10 power 8 joule, and in nuclear energy input per day, so for per day we will get 7500 into 36 into 10 power 8. So on calculator we will get here 2.7 into 10 power 13 joule. And energy released per fission of uranium is 200 MeV. If it is not mentioned, then we will assume 200 MeV. So 200 MeV can be written as 1.6 into 10 power minus 13, so we will get here 3.2 into 10 power minus 11 joule. And number of uranium nucleates required per day, so for per day 2.7 into 10 power 10 upon this value, we'll get a 0.844 into 10 power 24. And since 235 kg of uranium contains 6.02 into 10 power 26 number of atoms, so to calculate the value of mass, here we have m is equals to 235 into 0.844 into 10 power 23, this value upon means 6.02 into 10 power 6 number of atom it contains. So we get here 0.329 kg. Hence required mass for 1 day's operation is 0.392 kg. So in this you can calculate the numericals related to nuclear power plant. Hope you enjoy the lectures. Thanks for watching this.